Connecting Shopify to Amazon is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to open Chrome and type Shopify store in the search bar. Then, click on the Shopify website link. Once there, click on the Start Free Trial button. Choose the option that says I am just starting, and proceed by clicking Skip All. Next, select your country or region. For instance, I chose Pakistan, and then click the Next button. You will be prompted to add your Google account to the Shopify website. After logging in, the Shopify website dashboard will open. Click on the Add Apps button. In the following window, navigate to the Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to find the Spreader app. Look for the Amazon Importer Spreader app and click on the Install button. Now, you will notice that my Shopify store is connected to the Amazon Importer Spreader app. Proceed by clicking Install App. Afterwards, click on Next. This will open the Amazon website. Choose any product and copy its link. Return to the Shopify dashboard home. Locate the Amazon product link search bar and paste the copied link. Click on the Add button. You'll now see that the product has been added successfully. And with that, you're done. This is how you can connect Shopify to Amazon.